Grab caching for cashless payment, a tutorial video for beginners. Watch this.
Guys, this is Erling TV channel. Ang topic po natin today is about Grab Cash In. So dito, nag-order ako sa Grab, hindi ako makaproceed dahil kailangan daw natin mag-go cashless to get one faster. Para daw mas mabilis, gagamitin natin yung ating Grab wallet. So dahil walang laman yung ating Grab wallet, magka-cash in tayo gamit ang GCash. Click GCash. Dito, magta-transfer fund tayo ng pera sa ating GCash to GrabPay wallet. So, maglalagay tayo, sasend tayo ng pera. Dito, gagamitin natin itong transfer, bank transfer. Check natin. Wait natin guys, loading. Dito, hanapin natin ang ating bank, yung Grab. So, isearch na lang natin transfer. So, dito, click view all. And then, search for Grab. GrabPay. Yan. So, nandito yung bank transfer gamit ang ating GrabPay. So, ilalagay po natin ang amount, account name, account number, and then your email address. Ayan ang email address. Optional naman po yan. So, check natin. Enter the amount. For example, 1,000. And then, my account name. Yan. And then my 11-digit number. Yan. And then your email address. If okay na, click send. So as you can see, ito na yung aking Grab Pay bank transfer. Ayan, yung account number, account name, and then my email address. And you're about to transfer the amount of 1,000. May pinga lang po na 15 pesos. If okay na, click mo ang checkbox and then i-pay mo na. So, yan. Magpapadala siya ng authentication code para ma-process natin yung ating transaction. I-enter natin ang ating authentication code dito sa ating screen. Check natin. So, once okay na, nakita mo na yung iyong authentication code, ipasok na natin. So, okay na, isa-submit. So, yan guys, na-proceed na tayo. Your cash in of 1,000 from GCash gamit ang Grab. Ayan, ito na po yung ating katunayan na nag-transfer fund tayo gamit po ang ating GCash account to GrabPay. Kung nagkaroon ka ng additional information kung paano mag-fund transfer gamit ang ating GCash account to go to GrabPay, pakiclick na rin po ang subscribe button and i-click na rin po ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga latest tutorial video ng Erling TV dito sa YouTube. Again guys, have a great day and have a good day.